Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Corel Draw X6. We will begin by exploring the Corel Draw X6 workspace, which features a customizable interface with toolbars and dockers. You will learn to create new documents, setting dimensions like 8.5 by 11 inches for standard projects, and how to save your work in various formats. We will also cover fundamental object manipulation, such as selecting, moving, and resizing objects with precision. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any design project. Next, let's dive into drawing and shaping objects. The freehand tool allows for fluid, natural lines, while the Bezier tool offers precise control over curves with anchor points. You will discover how to combine objects using weld, intersect, and trim functions, creating complex shapes from simpler ones. Furthermore, we will explore applying various fills, like solid colors or gradients, and customizing outlines with different thicknesses and styles, adding depth to your artwork. Now, let's integrate text and special effects into your designs. Corel Draw X6 supports both artistic text for headlines and paragraph text for larger blocks, offering extensive formatting options like font styles and sizes. You will learn to apply interactive effects, such as creating a subtle drop shadow with a 5-point offset or adjusting object transparency to 50%. We will also cover power clips, allowing you to place images or objects precisely within other shapes, enhancing your layout's visual appeal. Finally, let's discuss exporting and sharing your Corel Draw X6 creations. You will learn to export your designs into common formats like JPEG for web use or PDF for print, ensuring optimal quality. We will cover preparing files for different outputs, such as setting a 300 dpi resolution for print or 72 dpi for web, and choosing appropriate color modes. Mastering these export settings is crucial for presenting your work professionally and efficiently, completing your design journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.